Ya kamet jeng ulampang ke yeng dorbar, Dr. Don Kuparoy dekar, la pendap hapadeng ke jingle burom ke sorkar jela, hamadan maupun sora, hapadeng ke jing syakri ki hajar ki pajba, kentup ki menteri sorkar ki ofisar bat ki ba ej bathoin na keleng ki jaka bat na konstituensi shela, habakran na ke jing kia bersngausi ktang, menteri rang ba u konrad ke sangma, ulong bahaka sautrik uleber ajarkan riu, uladu no ipa jong upi sangma, bat mentau la du biang yu wepat ukpa Dr. Don Kuparoy dekar hakani kapor umla klem da yam pai donut haba penken mawe ke jingi kran khadu hospital ha Delhi u Konrad ulong ulayo bani kran khadu yu Dr. Don Kupar hajaka sumar hamedanta Gurgaon haga baula bat naga kti jung ban keli ke jinglong jungman ha ke jela Konrad ulanyo bu Dr. Don Kupar udai kum ukpa unongelam bat no hikai yu ha ke jing senchar khadar Lopen pau ke jing ngosi bomla ban batai shu ya ke jing klat kan dit no jong Dr. Don Kupar. Kum ulampang ulapen nya ke dorbar ke berhenti klem ya syak liang ya noi noru. U Konrad ulong bakum u presiden u yang baik hakanong rim klem da syak ki wei ban pen kela de kum wei pat bat ke UDP kelas kem hapo ke parti. Kum u MLA u ej ki pajba ke konstituensi bat kum ju ya ke jela. Ulong bo Dr. Don Kupar ulapen pau ya u ba ban long unong ilam dei ban yo ke jing syania ni ki pajba balada omyo ke jing syania ni gipajba kamlong bandai unong yalam ya kamer jong Dr. Don Kupar la tap asnong shela badagi hajar gipajba kilatut
पीछे तक ओके
Holidays in December, to find a place to be.
I'm here to pay our respect to late Dr. Don Kuparoy. Friends, I don't have words to express the deep sorrow and the pain that I personally feel. And I'm sure all of us feel the same pain. I lost my father in March 2016. Today, I feel I lost my father again. Dr. Don Kuparoy was not only a leader, he was a father figure to each one of us. As a speaker, he ran the assembly in the best possible manner. He would always ensure that there was a balance in the assembly. He would give respect to the opposition. And he would always give the chance to the ruling to reply.
Just tell everybody, I think this people will come from channel. See, there was people are coming.